Hi everybody, I'm here at the nation's capital in Washington, D.C. I was here earlier for a hearing, and tonight I'm going to go see the premiere of the Young Washington by Angel Studios in collaboration with United We Pledge and Liberty Village. But I want to talk to you a minute about our convention that we're hosting on June 19th through the 21st at the Spokane International Airport, Ramada Inn. I'm so excited about this conference because we weren't planning to have a conference because we missed it last year. We're just overwhelmed. But the timing just turned out to be perfect. A couple of weeks before the celebration of our 250th anniversary with this idea: how do we recover America's lost mutual pledge, that final sentence at the end of the Declaration of Independence? After 250 years, how do we reclaim it? How do we renew it? So I'm looking forward to seeing you all there at our conference to have this discussion and seek ways to renew our lost mutual pledge moving forward into the 21st century and beyond. So can't wait to see you guys there. Take care. Bye.